right? Okay, so today what we want to do, we want to test the media queries. Okay, so for demo what I will do, I will go and write the something login page is there, right? Let us go for our login page or layouts. Okay, so okay, that's fine. So here or I will say go to login page, but I did not write the right side image. Okay, so let me open reveal in the Explorer. I started recording, right? Okay. So here first we have done a login page. Okay. So mainly like we can right side I want to show one image. So if you want to divide into two parts, then what I have to do first now? Tell me. I have to divide in my pages into first two parts, right? So I'll say this is a first div and one, and second is like a div two, something like this. Okay. So and whatever the thing I am having here, I will move to the first div. So let's go and reload it. Okay. So where is this second one? The second one will be there in a some other page. Okay. So let me have here. I'll write the styles.css. Okay. Okay. If you go to full page, they are saying they are not using any flux. Flux display is equal to flux. Okay. So automatically they will come in a side by side, right? Okay. So where is this two is available here? Okay, that's fine. Now I want to show the image in the right side. Do you know how to show the image in the right side? Remove this one and write one image tag. Tell me, image tag or img tag? Img tag. Okay, what is src logo.jpg? So let us try it. Do you know how to set the properties, right? Something like that. This is okay, but I don't want this much big image. Okay, so let us try to reduce the size. How to reduce the size? I will say width is equal to 100 percentage. Height is equal to 100 percentage. Now tell me what is this 100 percentage means, full screen or only to my parent? Only to my parent. Okay, not to the full screen. That is okay. Okay, so here I'll reduce something. I'll say I'll go for 300 pixel. For only testing only I'm going for 300 pixel, but you should go for with the percentages, not with the pixels. Something, let us try it. Okay, so this is the one, and let me right click, format it. Okay, so here the first div I will say class. This is how much it will take. This will occupy. Style is equal to width 50 percentage. Okay, width even some width colon 50 percentage, and same thing I want to do for the 50% for second also, something. So let us go on to it. Okay, this is 50 percentage. Now this is a 50 percentage. That is okay. Now this is an image. Okay, so now what we want to try now is, whenever I want to like I want to open the same in my mobile. See what is happening whenever I'm reducing. What is happening? Automatically it is overlapping, or something is happening, right? So after, like, whenever I'm reducing my screen to mobile or some small devices, what we want is, we want to reduce this one to the either bottom. Okay, I want to reduce it to the bottom, or I want to remove it. Anything is fine. Okay, so that is the reason. So let's go here, and I will say, so instead of this class, I'm going to write like a class. Okay, class, I will say right side, and this
అన్న
one I'll go.
స్క్రీన్ కొంచెం జూమ్ చేయన్న.
Okay, okay, okay. So here this left side, whatever we are having it, right? Let us write the class name is equal to left side. Okay, so yeah, now we need to write two classes. One is a left side and another is a right side. Okay, something right side. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I will say width is equal to 50 percentage, and I don't want any other properties. That's fine. I'll do it later. So right side and left side, how much percentage I have given? Ma 50 percentage, both, right? So let's go and reload the page. Still same. Okay, so whenever I want to reduce the screen, okay, reduce the screen. Now what we want to do? I want to either I want to bring this one to the bottom or I want to remove it. Okay, so based on the screen device, I want to set my styles. You can inspect here, there is a mobile icon. Okay, so I'll set to the right side here. So here, if you click here, this is the mobile view, and if you click again, this is the laptop view. Okay, so if you want to check for any mobile, you can click here, and there is a mobile, like whichever the mobile you want to select it, you can select that mobile. Okay, in iPhone it will be displaying like this, in Samsung it will be displaying like this it. But I don't want to display like this. Either I want to remove this one or I want to keep in the bottom, not in the something like this. Okay, so that is okay. So now first, if you want to do such things, then we have to go for a media queries. Okay, tell me like why we have to go for a media queries. If you want to style the content based on the device, then we have to go for a media queries. Okay, these media queries are introduced in the CSS 2. Okay, the current version of CSS is 3. Okay, 3. Okay, and now media queries can like it can do anything. Okay, so using the media queries, what we can do, we can check what is the width of my viewport. So this viewport is nothing but your Chrome area. Okay, so what is the width of your viewport? What is your height of your viewport? Suppose if I am opening in my mobile, that is also in like either Chrome or Edge only I will open websites, right? So that mobile screen, that is also like a viewport. Okay, so that is the one. So to work with this media queries, first thing you need to import that that line is there, right? Width is equal to device width, the meta tag. Okay, you need to import that meta tag, that is important. Okay, so this line is important. Okay, so let us go and import this line. Okay, let me just write the head tag, meta tag. Okay, this is fine. So now I want to open here. Let me just open it. Okay, so earlier there is a difference between before this line and earlier for the mobile. There is a difference, right? Okay, that's fine. So but it is a overlapping in the mobile, that is okay. So first thing is we have to import the meta tag. You know why we want to import the meta tag? So this will say that, hey browser, go and use the width is equal to device width and your initial scale is equal to 1% zoom, so automatically it will show correctly. Okay, this is the one. Now what we want to do, we want to write a media queries. Okay, so by default what we will follow is, I will write style for the desktop by default. Okay, so there are different ways we can write the style. First, some people will consider for the mobile and some people will consider for the desktop. Okay, but in my developing, what I will do, first I will consider for the big devices. Okay, so something like laptops, TVs, and bigger monitor, something like this. So that is nothing but this is the whatever the style I am writing, this is nothing but a bigger devices. Okay, now I want to write the media queries. Okay, to write the media queries, we have to go for a one media. So there is a syntax called at media. Okay, whenever you want to write a media query, we have to use a at media, and then we have to write our screen. Okay, screen means any screen, either it can be laptop, it can be desktop, it can be mobile, it can be something like screen readers are there, right? A Kindle reader, all the screens will be thinking like a screen reader. And apart from the screen, what will be there is a print also will be there. Okay, suppose whenever you want to take a print out, you don't want to print that image because image will take a more colors and all these things, right? We don't want to print the image. So then you can write a print also here. If you want to customize something, we can customize the print here. That is okay. And after that you need to write like and here you can specify like how many pixels and what is the pixel you want to highlight, something like this. Okay, so let's go and write it and we will add it. Okay, so first what is the thing we should write it at media. Okay, media screen and something like this. Okay, so at media screen. Okay, screen is nothing but this is nothing but any screen, laptop, mobile, any screen. Okay, and sometimes instead of screen you can write all also. Okay, instead of screen we'll write a all. Let us go for a screen only, not any other type. Okay, and then we have to write a and operator. Okay, and then we'll write a like a max width. Okay, what is this max width? We have written some form, right? What is the maximum width it can take it? Some 600, something like this we are giving, right? More than this it cannot take it. Okay, here we are saying that if my device is maximum 600 pixel, that means less than any 600 pixel, this style will apply. Okay, if it is greater than 600 pixel, Okay, if it is greater than 600 pixel, this style will not apply. Okay, so now what is the thing? First I want to do it, I want to convert the, okay, first thing. So let me remove it. So the first rule what I want to do, let's go for our requirement. What is the class I am using here? Full page. Okay, full page. What is the flux direction I am using it? Row direction. If you are not using any direction, what is the direction? Flux hyphen direction is equal to row. Correct, right? So but whenever in the mobile, which direction I want to use it? Column direction. Correct, right? So simple ma. Which style you want to override for mobile? This style, right? Okay, copy this style, go to your media query, okay, and write the same name, write the same name. Okay, now I want to write like flex, what direction I want to do it? Flex direction is equal to column. Earlier row is there, now I want to change it to the column. Okay, file, save all. Okay, so let us go and change it. Okay, so whenever this pixel is more less than the 600 pixel, and automatically, okay, let me reduce this one. Okay, responsive. Let me reload the page. Okay, sorry. Screen. Okay, so media screen max width is there. File, save all. Let us reload the page. Okay, see, so still we are in a big page. Okay, we'll try to reduce the screen. Try to reduce the screen, and after one pixel, something automatically it's coming down, right? So this is nothing but suppose if you are opening a laptop, it will display like this, and if you are opening a mobile, it will display like this. Okay, something like, so what is the steps we have done it? Very simple. We have written a at media and screen. Okay, because I want to work for all the screens. Okay, and what is this maximum size? I want to check it 600 pixel. These pixels we will call it as a breakpoints. What is the name? It is break points. It is a name only, not any theory point, nothing. Okay, this pixel, like at what pixel you are going to write your style files, something like that they will ask. So you have to say that for like if any device less than 600 pixel, I will consider as a mobile. If any device less than 900 pixel, I will consider as a tab. If any device more than 900 pixel, I will consider as a laptop or monitor, something like this. Okay, if you don't write anything, by default we will work for the whatever the style you are writing top. This will apply for all the devices. Style you side inside here. This is applicable for which devices? Only small devices, not for the big devices. You understood, right? Something like, suppose in the mobile, I don't want to display at all. Okay, here what is the direction I am using it? Column direction, right? But in mobile, I don't want to display at all. So what is the div we are showing in the right side, ma? What is the div we are showing right side? Right side div, right? Okay, copy this div, same name only. Just copy the same name and paste it here, and close it here. So here you can say display is equal to none. Okay, so display none means what? It will not display anything at all. Okay, see, image is gone. Okay, and if you're opening big image, so something like this. If I'm going to do like this, I'll try to reduce. There is no image at all. Okay, and if I'm trying to increase it, this image will come. Okay, so whatever the styles you want to do it, customization. Suppose you want to reduce the style, like you don't want big image, something like this. Suppose inside this there is image tag is there, right? I will say image tag. Then whenever you are opening an image, I want to reduce the size. Width is equal to 100 pixel, 200 pixel. Height is equal to 100 pixel, something like that. I want to change the width, something like this. Okay, so let us try to reduce. See, there is a small image. Not only removing or adding it, you can reduce the styles also. Suppose this form is there, right? In the desktop, I want to open like a this much. I want space is there. Whenever I want to reduce the screen, okay, I want to occupy the full width. I want to occupy the full width. Then what you can do here? Go to your, what is the style for left side, ma? What is the style? Dot left side. Okay, go here and write inside it. Okay, I'm going to write like a left side. I will say okay, width is equal to 100 percentage. Okay, So you can write your own thing. See, this is for mobile. Now it is automatically showing the center, right? I'll go for a laptop. Like if I am opening in a something, enlarge it. Whenever I'm opening here, something like this. Okay, you can write the custom styles based on the media queries. Okay, so this is the thing. What is the rule? First, at media and screen. Why you have to write a screen? Because I am targeting only for screen devices. I am not going to take out any printouts and something like this. Okay, and what is the maximum width here? This is called a breakpoint. Okay, if any device is less than 600 pixel, then this style will apply. Okay, sometimes in interview they will ask like this. Okay, here instead of writing like this, they will write like a min width. What is this you tell me? If any device is greater than 600 pixel, this style will apply. This is the reverse way. Okay, maximum means if any device is less than 600, this style will apply. If you are writing min, that means if any device is greater than 600, the whatever the style we are going to write, this will apply. Okay, so that is the meaning for the min and max. Okay, we can go for like this. This is nothing but a media queries. Everybody understood, right? So now we have seen already, you have done some examples in the login page. So this is my login page. Everybody, like you have done the layout excellently, and left side right side also is there. Okay, so whenever I want to reduce my screen, see where is that image? So what is the logic? Write the media query and display is equal to none value. And other thing is, you increase this value, like whatever the form is there, right? You take form is equal to 100 percentage, not the 50 percentage. Take the 100 percentage width, so that your form will nicely set up. Okay, like this you have to do it, ma. Okay, clear, right? So this is nothing but a media queries.